Jump on sound, I go try and make statements. Don't test my patience.
Of course, German. Oh, much easier.
48 years ago last time I were on this. 48 years ago last time I've been on it.
Well, you'll be glad to know, or you might not be so glad to know, that's the same boat.
Is it? Really?
It's been the same boat since 1932 when we opened the place.
I said it looked smaller, but then again I was smaller.
So you were smaller at the time, yeah.
Alright.
No, we've been doing this since 1932.
Yeah.
Everything in this building is original. With the exception of like the road, which gets replaced every couple of years.
Yeah.
The newest addition to this building, the roof, which we added in the 60s.
Oh, well, that's been there and all then. 1976. I bet you want more than that, will you?
I came on this when I was a kid, but that was 2001. That's the first time I came on this. So I was 3 years old at the time. And this was part of Kinderland. And you know, it looked a bit different than it does now.
Yeah.
So when when I was a kid, that was painted to look like a shark. All them years ago. So it was blue with a red mouth, white teeth, all that sort of stuff. It looked great. Apparently for a few years it was yellow, and people said it looked like a skip. And at the moment it's red and black because we decided, you know what, we'll take it off these rails, put it on the railway line because it's the same gauge as our railway, paint it red and black and make it look like Santa's sleigh. It'll go on the trains. So it went behind one of the logos.
Right, yeah.
I'm just used to modern log flumes.
Ah. It's proper design this.
Yeah.
Never breaks down.